Well, here's the new panel ready to go up on the wall. Put it up on the wall with lag screws. The feed wire comes in through there and gets hooked up. Put the GFIs in here, covers on it, dryer plugs in the side. There you go. Okay, here we are. We got the conductive anti-oxidizing grease on all the connections. We got the thing lagged into the structure. We got the box secured, and we're ready to put in GFI. And I don't have a second GFI, so I'll put a regular outlet in the other one. So we'll strip this feed cable and hook it up to the box, install the breakers, connect the feed cable to the breaker and the other panel, and be ready to test it. Well, here's the other end of the system. This is the sub panel in my workshop, and these two wires right here go into this 40 amp breaker that feeds the panel that we just mounted out in the motor workshop. Hook those two up and then we'll be able to test it. Well, there it is. It's what we were after. Just like the white people have. Well, I got to hook up the vent on this thing, but at least we know it works. And it works. Works. GFI test. There we go. Well, how about that? Cowabunga. So here we are with the new dryer. Turn on the power. The light comes on. Select something. Push the start button. Select the temperature you want. High or low. Push the start button. Voila. So this matches our water efficient, energy efficient, apartment sized dryer, Italian made, and this is the matching dryer that I got at Restore, which is the Habitat for Humanity store. It was used, and now we can work it and use it. First time in 38 years of marriage that we won't be drying the clothes in by the wood fire in the middle of the winter. I think an improvement.